Hi friends, hope you are enjoying our Pandas series of tutorials. We have completed 3 parts and now we are focusing towards data analysis and visualization. So in this part, we will be analyzing data and taking out different outputs, grouping them and creating filters and all. We will see that one. And also in the part G, we have completed 2 sections, 3 videos we have completed. In that we have created a small application where we are reading the data from the whatever the directories file details and storing it in an Excel file through a data frame, and then in the last part we have integrated with the Kinter window and displayed all the reports in that. This is a small application, but I hope it would have given you a great learning how to take out the data and store it in Excel file, then from Excel how to generate a report, and that report we are taken to a Kinter application. Hope you are continuing with this, and my request is please stay with us and continue with our Pandas series. Then we will start with our basic Python series also, and Kinter we have lot of applications. And if you have any doubt, suggestion, questions, always use the comment section. And moreover, you can give us the feedback whether we are moving very fast or it is very slow or things are very complex. I need to slow down, or we need to give more examples or more practical applications we must develop. All these feedbacks will help us to further improve. If you are enjoying it and with us for seeing our videos, please give these feedbacks also to us, help us to improve further. And again, my request is please subscribe and to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified, and share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.